All right, so here we have strategy number 28. You will use this strategy in practice problem set number 20. No, sorry, 19. Um, so here we have simplified radicals. Very, very important concept here. So 64, square root of 64. That means we are looking for, we multiply same number two times. What is that number is? So if you memorize perfect square, right? If you will do square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to 15 square, if you will memorize, it will really help you. You will save some time during your SAT test. So here we have 64, so we can see 64, we have right here. Square root of 64 is what? 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So you'll get just simply 8. If we will check square root of 8, do we have 8 is perfect square? How you can check, do you have anywhere 8 here? So here is 9, which is less than, which is 8 is less than 9, and 4, which is 8 is larger. So we cannot find 8 square root of 8. But there is one factor which is perfect square. That piece, that factor, we need to take it out. So how you can decide what is factor of 8 which is perfect square? So very simple to decide. See here we have one perfect square is 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. So I will check, can I divide by any perfect square of this to 8? So I can see here we have 4, we have 4, we can divide by 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2, right? So instead of square root of 8, we can write 4 times 2. And then we can say square root of 4 times square root of 2. So square root of 4 is 2 square root 2. Okay, very simple to do it. So next one, 24. Again, 24 is not perfect square, but we can find factor of 24, which is perfect square. So we can see again, we can divide by 4. So 24 is 6 times 4. If you can do it, you can write directly square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2, and square root 6, we cannot find it. And also you will check again 6, there is any factor of 6 that it is perfect square. Factor of 6 is what? 2 times 3. 2 and 3, they are not perfect square, so that's it. Next one we have is square root of 125. So you will check again what number, greatest number, perfect square we can divide to 125. Here we have 25, right? So we have 25 is perfect square, so I can divide to 125. So here we have 25 times 5 is 125. Square root of 25 is 5, and here is square root of 5. Now we have cube root. So if you remember perfect cube, it will help you. So we have 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. It will help you if you memorize. And I will post this perfect square sheet on Classroom so you can memorize this. So now we can see here we have 24. We don't have any 24 here in between 8 and 27. It should be, but we don't. So 24 is not perfect cube. So how we will find out factor of 24, which is perfect cube? Same strategy you will use. You will check what number, what perfect cube you can divide to 24. So we have 8 here. We knew 8 times 3 is 24. So I will write here. I will write down cube here, index first, before I will forget whenever you copy down. Otherwise, you will get wrong answer. So I can write 8 times 3. And cube root of 8 is what? 2, and 3 will inside, and here is 3. Next one, we have 81. So what perfect cube we can divide to this? 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So we can do cube root of 27 is 3, and here is 3. And don't forget to write index. Now here we have variable also. So if we will check, we have 4 different things in this under square root. We have 4, we have number, we have 8, we have x, we have y, and we have z. We have 4 different things. So we will split it up in 4 different pieces. Okay. So you think little by little, not whole thing at the same time. Okay. Very simple to decide which one goes out, which one goes in. So let me show you that strategy. We have 8, right? So first thing I will write in this form. I will keep space here, and we don't have any index, so we don't need to write. So that is square root. Now we will check 8. What is cube root of 8? Is 2. That is perfect cube, so it will go out. I will not write down anything inside. Oh no, sorry, we are looking for square root. So what is square root of 8? That is not perfect square. So we will write down 8, right? We just did it. What is 8 is? 2 square root 2. So see, 2 is outside and 1, 2 we have inside. Now we have x cubed. If we think here we have index is 2, so we have x cubed, right? If you think how you will write in exponent form, x 3 over 2. So if you will check here, that is improper fraction. When you simplify, it must be proper fraction. Okay, so you will just simply divide 3 divided by 2. How many 2 goes in 3? 1 time. So 1, right? That is my answer. This power go outside. So here x goes out. And remainder that goes inside on x. 1 power goes outside. So how you will think about, see we have x cubed, right? So x cubed, that means you write 3 times. So this is 1 pair, it will come out. All right, next one we have y to 9th power. So you simply 9 divided by 2 is 9 divided by 2. You will get how many? 2 goes in 9, 4th time, right? So y to 4th power outside, and 2 times 4 is 8. So 1 power will left inside. Z to 4th power, how many 2 goes in 4? If you have 4 divided by 2, simply you will get 2. So you will get z square, and that's it. That's it, how you can do it. Let me give you other example. If we have, let's say cube root, m to 8th power. So if you will just write down in fraction form, you will get m to 8/3. So this fraction you convert in mixed number. So you have 8 divided by 3. So how many 3 goes in 8? 2 times. So that is remainder. That goes in and this power go out. So m square cube root. Let's see other one. We have x to x to 9, and here is 5. So what exponent you can write? X to 9/5, right? So you just convert in mixed number. 9 divided by 5 is 1. 5 goes here. That is remainder. So x to 1 power goes out. only x you can write down 5 times 1 power, right? So that goes out. And what is inside power? 4. Always you can check, say this power must be lower than index. So after that, you cannot simplify anymore. Let me give you one more here. We have m to 6th power, n to 10th power, and p to 7th power. And let's say we have 3 here. So we are looking for cube root. See, you can see right away 6 divided by 3 is what? 2, right? So m square go out. We will not get any leftover. 10 divided by 3, so 9 and 1 leftover. So we have power 3 goes out. And inside we will get n to 1 power. And we have cube root. Now we have 7 to 3rd. So you can do 7. How many 3 goes in 7? 2 times, 1 leftover. So you have p square. No, p square you will get out and 1p inside. And that's it. So that's how you simplify radicals. So if you do more practice, you will get more ideas and you will be quick. You can figure that out. All right. Good luck. I hope this video will help you to simplify radicals and better understanding about this. Thank you.